this TV mounted onto this wall. That's the goal.
I'm gonna get this TV on this wall.
By this one man right here. Look at all of this material out on the counter.
Okay. The green stuff is table. Put the chop on the baby doll head. Put the chop on the baby doll head.
Okay. Put Chuck on the baby doll hair.
What's the particles flying in the atmosphere, y'all?
Chalk.
Flip it.
Flying in over here?
You alright? She said put the chalk in the baby doll hair.
You ain't been drunk, have you?
And she had the chalk on her.
Where you been lately?
Look.
Be careful with this chalk on my carpet, I mean.
So the the TV is gonna go here. And okay.
What is you doing?
Ask her again, Bugabug. What are you doing?
Embarrassing.
It does look crooked.
That's odd, huh? How's this little cricket?
Just a wee bit crooked.
But it's aligned perfectly in the middle. I don't know, maybe we tripping.
How you know it's aligned? The little bubble?
Mm-hmm. Of course, it's basic science.
I don't know how to use that thing.
My God.
Oh wow. Bugabug, you'll stay out of the camera, please. Thank you so much.
And it calls JoJo.lolaMUA. JoJo.lolaMUA.
Stop saying her name. I don't know how that works.
I'm not on the right foot.
We are not paying her. It was the child that was paying it, not us.
Cuddy, you go to
Oh my gosh.
He got shot.
Oh no. Y'all need that.
What's it called?
Chop.
So,
Chalk.
Chalk. Chalk.
you can go to the kitchen floor
Say
or something.
chalk.
You finna mess up the park.
Chalk.
Chop.
Thank you. Good job. Yeah, you definitely put.
Really?
At my house.
That doesn't sound good. Told you need a stud finder.
Yo, I'm
You don't need a stud finder.
P-I-Z-Z-A.
Wait.
Because they don't work.
Okay, so how do people find studs?
The old-fashioned way.
Knocking on the wall.
Oh, be careful now. Don't break them.
Let's just say I got cheese. Yes. I'm done puppy. Chloe, you come on, please. Pop bang.
Pop bang. You trying to forewarn us? Bugabug.
Now, the thing is, this has to be my mark right here that I previously marked. But I marked the other mark next to it.
Salud.
Give me a smaller nail.
Screw.
Yes, a smaller screw. Up.
Hey, I down.
Y'all didn't take the plastic off while I was there.
Too high up.
It's gonna go
Okay,
this,
there you
like this.
All right. Let it go, baby.
I'm sure. Make sure I look mine.
Nick, so how about one of these? You know.
She gonna make sure she
A few minutes later.
Another one.
And they barely good. They passing me a screw.
Don't do that.
Don't do that, she said. But yeah, man, we ain't at home yet. I figured that's what he was calling for.
The bed is now. Gotta put the bed together now.
Yeah, shorty. The baby daddy.
Hey, y'all gonna have to go and clean up. Y'all sitting there watching TV.
It's gonna be so interesting when you finish.
Look at my sister. You sure you ain't seen her on the street? No. Oh, it's in my hand. You getting tired.
He was in my hand the whole time. He was in my hand the whole time.
It came with a thing to tighten it up, extra tight.
The thing.
And the ratchet. Oh, because the drill doesn't do the same thing as that thing.
Mm-hmm.
I thought you said you couldn't do it.
It's not for beginners, Nick, like you.
Oh wow.
I had to get you inside of here with this thing.
It's not gonna hurt.
I'll get you right there in your temple or something.
Nicky.
Okay, what I put together now?
Hey, can we get you one of these rings?
Y'all broke them all.
That long middle board, they go in the middle for extra support.
Nick, you need to rearrange your we're gonna do a video.
The room makeover video.
This needs to be rearranged.
Oh, talking about my bags.
Yes.
Hey, can we wear glasses?
I'm
I
gonna-
was going to waste my way over there. I already did my camera.
Can we wear those glasses?
Nick, can I see the L-shaped wrench?
Look, this one's.
Just gonna look at my room till she.
I mean,
It's pink.
Well, that sucks.
It looks pink.
Nope, not gonna work right there. It's too tight. Okay, Nick, so you can do this part.
Trial and
This one
error.
loose.
Are you going to the child saying this one loose? Bugabug. No, ma'am. Go to the living room with your brother and sister.
You work on
Thank
pouring
you.
it in. I'm gonna go to this side over here.
hey,
All right. Be good.
hey. Wow.
Yo, she did hard. Fight him hard and fast. Kill him.
No. Leanna, stop telling that.
You got violence. Hey, put me down. Put me down.
This the great test of the bed. Have the children slam each other on it.
I ain't telling you, punk. Hold up. Callie, say we not from 63rd.
Leanna.
What that mean?
You wouldn't know that.
That's the song.
It's not.
It's not a
I mean,
song.
it's a song.
Yes, that is.
Alright, Killer, slow down. That's enough.
Kelly, Chloe, you're not gonna be in the video.